This is a video series in which I'll be showing you how you can connect your VNETPHONE V6 with a phone, or another VNETPHONE V6 interphone. This is Ajay here. Welcome to 2150. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can connect your VNETPHONE V6 with another VNETPHONE V6. Now if you want to know how you can connect your VNETPHONE V6 with your phone, then okay, so I'll be pairing two V6 phones here. I have both of them here. So before I go into the pairing, let's do some of the basics. Let's take one of them. Now you can see here you have these buttons. Okay, so this is the button which will turn on this device. This is also known as the rider A button. Okay, this is because this V6 VNETPHONE V6 can be connected to 6 riders as it is written here. So it's actually 6 devices. So 5 riders and 1 phone. So you have rider A. This is the rider A. Then you have rider B, rider C, rider D, and rider E. So all these 5 buttons will be for each of the riders and your phone. So this makes it 6 connections to one of the devices. Now, these 6 connections can be done simultaneously. All the 6 devices can be connected or paired with this device simultaneously, but this will act as a relay switch. This will this cannot connect to all the devices at a time. So this will connect to any one of the device while you are talking. Say for example, you want to talk to your rider A, then you have to click this, push this button, and then you'll be connected to your rider A. And if you want to talk to your rider B, then this button for rider B, C for rider C, D for rider D, and E for rider E. If you want to get connected to your phone, you can connect by pushing this button. There are also various different button gestures, I should say, that is available with your phone. For example, you can go to, if you're playing a song, you can go to your next song by double tapping this button, volume down button, and you can go to the previous song by double tapping the volume up button, and this is the switch off button here. And to switch on, you have to press and hold this button here, the rider A button. Now, since you have seen that you can connect any V6 VNETPHONE Bluetooth device to this device, to any of these rider slots, I should say. So to connect them or to talk to them, you have to press any one of these buttons in which the rider is connected, and then you can go ahead and talk to them. Now if I take another one into this picture, then you can see you can connect rider A of this button of this device to rider A of this device, or the other 4 riders of this device. So one can go into any one of these 4 or this rider A. The same is for this as well. So in this manner you can connect all your riders, all the riders of your group into this VNETPHONE V6 Bluetooth intercom device. Okay, so I have my VNETPHONE V6 devices here, and in this case these 2 are paired. Rider A of this device is paired with the rider A of this device. So if I turn them on one by one, you can see, to turn them on, just press and hold the rider button, the rider A button. Then you can see this long beeps of blue light will happen, long flashes, and they are in sync. So that means the rider A of this device is connected to the rider A of this device, and the records of the pairing is saved. Now let's connect the rider B of this device to rider A of this device, which will be, in your case, if you do not have anything paired, if you do not have 2 devices paired, rider A of this device with rider A of this device. So in this example, I'm doing rider B of this device with rider A of this device. But in your example, if you do not have anything in rider A, then you can have rider A of this device to rider A of this device in the same manner. So let's start. After you have turned it on, you'll have short flashes of this blue light in both the devices. That means these 2 are not paired. Now let's say I'm trying to I'm trying to I'm trying to pair rider B of this device to rider A of this device, which can be, in your case, might be the case that you are connecting to a third person or a third person with a VNETPHONE V6. So in that case, all you have to do is turn this off first. So you turn on the main device. I'll turn this off as well, and I'll turn it on again so that it doesn't have anything connected. So it will just keep on looking for connections. You can see you will have this short flashes of blue light because nothing is connected. Now I'll go for rider B. I'll press and hold rider B for more than 5 seconds. You will have this red and blue light flashing. In the next device, which I want to connect to this rider B of the main device, I'll turn it on. Now it's looking for another device. I'll press and hold the main rider. So I have pressed and held this rider A button in this second device for more than 5 seconds, and it has also started flashing. Now I'll press rider B and rider A in this device, rider B in this device together. And you can see there are long flashes, and these flashes are in sync. That means the rider B of this device is now synced with rider A of this device. So you can see the lights are flashing in sync and longer flashes. So that means these two are paired. So this device has the rider B paired with the rider A of this device. Now to talk to any other riders, if they are connected to this device, all the rider will have to do is press on the button in which that particular rider he wants to talk to is connected to. So in this manner, you can connect or you can pair two VNETPHONE V6 Bluetooth devices. Now I'll turn them off just to show you that the connection is retained, or the memory of the connection or the pairing is retained. I'll turn them on one by one. There you go. These two are paired. Well, that will be it for this video, and I hope you like this video. And if you do like it, please go down and hit that like button below, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be posting at least one new video each week on how you can tool with your 150cc motorcycle. Thanks for watching.